Hi, this is Dr. Ken Starr with the Wellness Group in Arroyo Grande, California. Thanks for tuning in. The question I wanted to bring up and answer for viewers today is, what's the maximum dose of Suboxone or buprenorphine? This comes up in my practice. It comes up from a lot of patients, a lot of people who call, a lot of new patients who come in, or patients that we inherit from other providers. The right dose of Suboxone is the right dose. It's going to prevent withdrawal, it's going to prevent cravings, and it's going to limit the effect of opiates that are taken illicitly. That's the right dose, and it varies for everybody. I have patients as low as a half milligram or a milligram who stay on that. I have patients as high as 24 milligrams. The question that came up for me is is there a limit on what we should prescribe? Mostly, I think that patients should be on 16 milligrams or less. There are some patients who will need to be on more than 16 milligrams to control those symptoms, right? To not have cravings, to not have withdrawal, and to prevent relapse. The vast majority of people can be on 16 milligrams or less. 16 is considered a full dose. And where that came from is early studies that showed that all the receptors are occupied at 16 milligrams in over 99% of people. Now, I've since learned, and I do believe that there are some people who need a little bit more, as high as 24 milligrams. It is approved for doses that high. I don't think there's any benefit above that. So what's the maximum? I think the maximum is 24. I really don't think there's any benefit above 24. In fact, above that, I see my patients having more side effects and negative effects from the medicine than positive effects. And when I start bringing them down to 16, once they're stable on that, they feel better. It's nice to be on the lowest dose of medicine where you feel good. So be on the right dose of medicine. I don't think there's any reason to take more than 24. Most people, the vast majority, will do well at 16 milligrams or less. That's my thoughts on it. Call or email if you have any questions. Thanks for listening.